If your idea of ancient Rome is just gladiators and togas, think again. Let's talk about their mind-blowing engineering. Picture this. It's 2,000 years ago and the Romans are thirsty. They needed a way to transport water from distant mountains to their bustling cities. The answer? Aqueducts. These stone and concrete marvels spanned valleys, crossed rivers, and even went underground. Using a slight gradient, the Romans made water flow smoothly over miles and miles. No pumps, just gravity. Some aqueducts were even 50 miles long, and they were built so well, parts of them are still standing today. So next time you turn on the tap, thank the Romans for their engineering genius. Rome wasn't built in a day, but their aqueducts sure made it last.